Hi, I am Vishwanath, class 8th, studying in Murali Desai Residential School, Kaloli. Let's we start mathematics in nature. ನಿಸರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿನ ಗಣಿತ. First one is tessellation in nature. Tessellation means a tessellation is a pattern of shapes that fit together with no gaps. What do tessellation have to do with nature? I take an example for tessellation, a honeycomb. Did you recognize the shape that makes a honeycomb? We see it is like hexagon shape. You see above sentence, tessellation means a tessellation is a pattern of shapes that fit together with no gaps. You see this honeycomb hexagon shapes there are fit together with no gaps. I am take another example for tessellation. The snake skin. You are all see a snake. The snake it is also one example for tessellation. You see this picture, the snake's top leather picture. You see many shapes on snake skin. These shapes fit together with no gaps. Many examples like pineapple and turtle. Second one is shapes in nature. I take example for shapes in nature. The sun. We see this sun. It is in which shape? Yes, it is in circle shapes. There is not a one uncountable shapes in nature. When we see a thing, it is in a shapes. The circle shapes like moon. It is in a circle shape. Volleyball. It is in a circle shape. The birthday cake in it is any shape like circle, square, rectangle, and star shapes. I take another example for shapes in nature. Another example for shape in nature. We see this mirror. What shape it is? Yes, its shape is rectangular. When we come from bathroom and you going out from your house, we look your face in mirror. Example for reading book, television, radio, and door, etc. Third one is numbers in nature. What doing this man? Yes, the man counting the money. He counting the numbers of money. He count the money by telling numbers. Number is in a maths. Other examples for flowers petals and potato trader count the potato and measured and sold. Other example for numbers in nature, a hibiscus flower. In this flower there are 4 petals. 4 it is in number. The speed of the cheetah is in the maths. The speed of the bike is in the maths. The speed of the air is in the maths. I tell about 6 maths inspiring quotes. The 6 maths inspiring quotes about mathematics. First one, according to Carl Friedrich Gauss, mathematics is the queen of the science. Second one, according to Proclus, wherever there is number, there is beauty. Third one, it is about becoming a mathematical thinker, not a calculator. Fourth one, according to Galileo, the book of nature is written in the language of mathematics. Fifth one, according to Shakuntala Devi, without mathematics, there is nothing you can do, everything around you is mathematics. Sixth one, according to Stephen Banach, mathematics is as old as man.